Good morning, children. Today we are going to study social studies. 1, book 1. Take out magic books and take out your homework school copy, pencil, rubber also. So, chapter 2, uh, my body, page 14. 1 4, page 14. Short. All the parts of our body help us in doing our work. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose helps us to smell. Our ears helps us to hear. Our tongue helps us to taste. Our skin helps us to feel. All these are our sense organs. So I hope everyone understood. It's very important. Memorize this. Okay. Short note. A. Question A. Answer the following questions. 4 question is here. Children, see. Number 1. How many ears do you have? 2. What is the function of eyes? 3. How many sense organs do you have? 4. Which part of the body do you use to smell? Okay. Now, children, follow me. A 1. How many years do you have? Answer. I have 2 years. Next, question 2. What is the function of eyes? What is the function of eyes? Answer. The function of eyes is to see. Okay. Question 3. How many sense organs do you have? How many sense organs do you have? Question 3. Write the answer. I have 5 sense organs. Question 4. Which part of the body do you use to smell? Used to smell. Which part of the body do you use to smell? Answer is I use my nose, N-O-S-E, nose, to smell. Okay. Now I repeat. Number 1 question. How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears. Question 2. What is the function of eyes? The function of eyes is to see. Question 3. How many sense organs do you have? I have 5 sense organs. Question 4. Which part of the body do you use to smell? I use my nose to smell. Okay. Next question, B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Okay. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay, I write here B. B1. Okay. We taste with our right tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. We taste with our tongue. Number 2. We hear with our right ear. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Question 3. We see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. We see with our eyes. Question 4. Fill in the blanks. 4. We smell with our nose. Right here, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Okay. So repeat again. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. We taste with our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. We hear with our ears. E-A-R-S. 3. We see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Question 4. We smell with our nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. So children, take out your homework diary, school diary. I write here homework chapter 2. Okay, chapter 2, page 14 A B. Okay. Practice children. Okay.